Number 1, ooh, ooh. The full stretch with the smallest lip opening is called number 1, ooh. Think only of feeling the smallest lip opening while executing the full stretch. Ooh, ooh. Be careful not to harden your lips. Ooh, 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 ooh. You blue. Commonly mispronounced as
Why are you blue?
Why are you blue? Why are you blue?
Why are you blue?
The lip opening is too undefined and the sound weak or distorted in its tonality. Pronounce your number 1 vowels with perfect roundness and with full forward vibration. Ooh, you, blue,
You
blue,
blue.
Good. The number 1 list, using the full stretch, check that you've got that 2-finger space in the back. Ooh, 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 ooh. And feeling all the sound coming forward, feeling the vibration around the lips. Ooh. You, blue, two, new, two, noon, excuse, shoe, spoon, moon. Repeat stage 2 a bit more rapidly, but retaining the stretch. You, blue, two, new, two, noon, excuse, shoe, spoon, moon. Repeat again, stage 3, more rapidly with a slight easing up of the gross stretch. You, blue, two, new, two, noon, excuse, shoe, spoon,